Hello friends, welcome to Navmu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe. So here we'll see best and most important current affairs weekly basis and monthly basis. So we'll see here first week of January. So first question is, who has been awarded the DRDO Defense Research and Development Organization's Scientist of the Year Award? Yes, Somnath, B. Kunhikrishnan, Soundayal Dev, Hemant Kumar Pandey. Answer is Hemant Kumar Pandey. Next, second question. Arya Rajendran has taken charge as India's youngest mayor from which corporation ward of Kerala? A. Thiruvananthapuram, B. Thrissur, Kollam, Kannur. So, it is from Thiruvananthapuram corporation. Third question. Who has been awarded a knighthood in the UK New Year's Fonds list? Option A. Lewis Hamilton, Daniel Craig, Sean Connery, Andrew Murray. So answer is Lewis Hamilton. Option A. Next, fourth question. The Union government has declared which state as a disturbed area for 6 more months? Option A. Manipur, B. Mizoram, C. Arunachal Pradesh, D. Nagaland. So it is D. Nagaland. Answer is Nagaland. Next. India's first hot air balloon safari in a tiger reserve has been launched in which state? A. Gujarat, B. Assam, C. Uttarakhand, D. Madhya Pradesh. So we know that it is from Madhya Pradesh. Next, sixth question. India's first lithium refinery will be set up in which state? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Gujarat, C. Telangana, D. Rajasthan. Answer is Gujarat. Option B. Gujarat. Next, seventh question. Seventh question is, which nation plans to have the first nuclear reactor on the moon by 2026? A. Russia, B. China, C. US, and D. Iran. It is US, United States. C. Next one. Which states officials won Digital India Award 2020? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Bihar, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh. Answer is it is Bihar. Option B. Place has been announced as Tamil Nadu's 38th district. A. Tirupattur, B. Mayiladuthurai, C. Ranipet, D. Kallakurichi. Answer is B. Mayiladuthurai. Next question. 10th one. Who won the Sir Garfield Sobers Award for ICC Male Cricketer of the Decade? A. Steve Smith, B. A.B.D. Willis, Kane Williamson, and Virat Kohli. Answer is Virat Kohli. Next. Who won the ICC Spirit of Cricket Award of the Decade? A. Kane Williamson, Brendan McCullum, MS Dhoni, Mahela Jayawardene. So answer is MS Dhoni. Option C. Next question. Who has been named the captain of ICC Men's T20I and ODI teams of the decade? A. MS Dhoni, B. Virat Kohli, Kane Williamson, Steve Smith. Answer is MS Dhoni. Next question. To promote which product? APEDA has been supporting private entities in creating necessary infrastructure. A. Bira 91, B. Moringa Products, C. Alensoli, D. Amul. Answer is B. Moringa Products. Next. Which bank has been collaborating with Salesforce to build next generation tech platform for retail banking? A. HDFC Bank, B. SBI Bank, C. Yes Bank, D. Punjab National Bank. So it is answer is C. Yes Bank. Next 15th one. At which place of the South Delhi Municipal Corporation opened its toy bank? A. Najafgarh, B. Jajokri, C. Kalkaji, D. Asola. Answer is A. Najafgarh. Next, 16th one. By which rocket Indian satellite is to carry names of common people in space? A. GSLV C-50 Geosynchronous Launch Vehicle, PSLV C-50 Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, PSLV C-51, GSLV C-51. Answer is C. PSLV C-51. And 17th one. Which country has inducted Indian submarine INS Sindhuvir into its navy? A. Myanmar, B. Malaysia, C. Singapore, D. Sri Lanka. It is Myanmar. The central government has removed the ban on which product exports from 1st January 2021? A. Sugar, B. Onion, C. Tomato, D. Oil. Answer is B. Onion. Question. Which insurance company has partnered with Jammu and Kashmir government for the PMJY Sehat, PM Joy Sehat? A. Bajaj Allianz General Insurance, B. Bharati AXA Life Insurance, C. Fino Life Insurance, D. Life Insurance Corporation. So answer is A. Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. 28th one. Archaeologists excavate fast food centers at which place? A. Layan, B. Surat, C. Kolkata, D. Pompeii. Answer is D. Pompeii. Next question. Who has partnered with IIT Delhi to set up design and innovation lab for rural entrepreneurs? A. Digital Innovation Lab, C. Common Services Center, D. Collaboration Center, D. The Home Depot Innovation Center. Answer is B. Common Services Center. 22. With which country the IAF announced first major war game involving Rafale fighter jets to take part in exercise Skyros? A. UK, B. Germany, C. France, D. Italy. Answer is C. France. Next 23. Which bank has partnered with RuPay to launch a payment solution in association with Pay Nearby? A. DBS Bank, B. SBI Bank, C. HDFC Bank, D. RBL Bank. Answer is it is D. RBL Bank. Next question. The Brahmaputra Amantran Abhiyan is to held in which two states? A. Mizoram and Arunachal Pradesh, B. Arunachal Pradesh and Assam, C. Assam and Meghalaya, D. Meghalaya and Mizoram. Answer is B. Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. Which state has announced the inclusion of the history of Sikh Guru in the school curriculum? A. Punjab, B. Delhi, C. Goa, D. Uttar Pradesh. Answer is D. Uttar Pradesh. Which committee has been conferred with the Platinum Award for Excellence in Digital Governance? A. SCE Committee, Abhijit Sen Committee, Ajit Kumar Committee, Basel Committee. Answer is A. SCE Committee. 27. Which state has unveiled its solar power policy? 2021. A. Maharashtra, Bihar, Gujarat, Kerala. Answer is 27. Answer is C. Gujarat. In which state first rice ATM has to be set up? Options: Maharashtra, B. Gujarat, C. Sikkim, D. Karnataka. So answer is D. Karnataka. Next question. In which state the Thowbal multi-purpose project was established? A. Rajasthan, B. Bihar, C. Delhi, D. Manipur. Answer is D. Manipur. Next 38th question. BSSU, UKM and NKJ Biofuel partnered to set up India's first ethanol plant under PPP model in which state? A. Bihar, B. Chhattisgarh, C. Kerala, D. Manipur. So 30th one, it is B. Chhattisgarh. Next question. In which state the researchers have discovered two new species called Hedychium mechucanum and Amomum arunachalidis? A. West Bengal, B. Sikkim, C. Bihar, D. Arunachal Pradesh. So from question itself you can say Arunachal Pradesh. Answer D. Next 32. Which state after completion portal won the Silver Icon Award for innovation during pandemics? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Bihar, C. Assam, D. Goa. Answer is it is B. Bihar. Next, with which country India exchanged the list of nuclear installations? A. Russia, B. Bangladesh, C. Nepal, D. Pakistan. Answer is it is D. Pakistan. Next 34. Which country is set to join as the sixth member of the Five Eyes intelligence network? A. Japan, B. Nepal, C. India, D. China. Answer is A. Japan. Next 35. Which organization celebrated its 63rd Foundation Day on 1st January 2021? Options: ISRO, DRDO, L&T and BARC. So 35, it is B. DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. Who has been honored with Raja Mansingh Tomar Award 2020? A. Manju Mehta, B. Abhinav Kala Parishad, C. Sankat Mochan Pratishthan, all of above. 36, it is B. Abhinav Kala Parishad. Next. Who has taken over as the chairman of Steel Authority of India Limited, SAIL? A. Soma Mandal, Shantanu Naidu, Ashok Mathur, Sudeep Khanna. Answer is A. Soma Mandal. As a part of Mission Sagar 3, Indian naval ship INS Kilton has reached which country to deliver relief materials? A. Brazil, B. Cambodia, C. Philippines, D. Austria. So 38, it is B. Cambodia. Next. Which department has won the Gold Icon Award? Excellence in Digital Governance Ministry. A. Department of Posts, Department of Civil Aviation, Department of Agriculture, Department of Consumer Affairs. So 39, it is A. Department of Posts. 40. Who is the author of the book titled Sabarimala Vijnana Gosham? A. Ruskin Bond, B. Arundhati Roy, C. K.S. Vijayanth, D. Jhampa Lahiri. Answer is C. K.S. Vijayanth. Next question. The Thorbal Multi-Purpose Project, Thorbal Dam, has been inaugurated in which city? A. Impal, B. Kolkata, C. Bangalore, D. Chennai. So 41, it is Impal. Option A. Next. 21 years old Reshma Mariam Roy of which state has become the youngest Panchayat president? A. Gujarat, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Kerala, D. Assam. 42, it is C. Kerala. Next question. Who has successfully conducted the maiden trial of the first indigenous air droppable container Sahyak NG? A. DRDO, Indian Navy, ISRO, both A and B. That is DRDO and Indian Navy. Answer is D, both A and B. Which country has changed a word in its national anthem? A. Australia, B. Bangladesh, C. Nepal, D. Bhutan. Answer is A. Australia. Who has recently become the richest person in Asia? A. Shanshan, B. Jack Ma, C. Ma Hunteng, D. Hu Kayan. 45, it is A. Shanshan. Which one has signed a contract with the MOD to provide 10 links U-2 fire control systems? A. HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, and DRDO, Defence Research Development Organisation, Bell, Bharat Electronics Limited, Larsen and Toubro. Answer is C. It is Bharat Electronics Limited. Next question. Who has been awarded the highest civilian honour, knighthood, by the Queen Elizabeth? A. Max Verstappen, Nicholas Latifi, Esteban Ocon, Lewis Hamilton. 47, it is Lewis Hamilton. Who has won Eminent Engineer Award 2020 from IET? A. Ashwani Lohani, Sudhir Bhargava, Rishi Kumar, V.K. Yadav. 48, it is D. V.K. Yadav. Next question. Self-propelled air defense gun missile system SPAD-GMX is the system of which country? A. India, B. USA, C. China, D. South Korea. Answer is D. South Korea. Next one. Raghavendra Singh Chauhan has been appointed as the Chief Justice of High Court of which state? A. Odisha, B. Karnataka, C. Uttarakhand, D. Gujarat. Answer is, it is C. Uttarakhand. Next 51. In association with which union ministry the Ministry of Tourism has implemented Adopt a Heritage scheme? A. Ministry of Coal, Ministry of Ayush, Ministry of Culture, both A and B. So 51, it is Ministry of Culture, option C. Next question. This state is about to bring a comprehensive transformation in health sector? A. Jammu and Kashmir, B. Mumbai, C. Karnataka, D. Kerala. Answer is, it is C. Karnataka. Which state has launched Kisan Fasal Rahat Yojana? Odisha, Jharkhand, Bihar, Maharashtra. Answer is Jharkhand. Next 54. Which state deployed 2 helicopters to fight wildfire in Zukau Valley? Mumbai, Rajasthan, Manipur, Tamil Nadu. Answer is C. Manipur. Next question. Who has become a member of IOSCO? IDBI, IFSCA, WHO, TCL? Answer is IFSCA. Next. Remission of duties and taxes on exported products scheme will be in effect from which date? 1st January 2021, 30 December 2020, 31st January 2021, 5th January 2021. Answer is A. 1st January 2021. Which union territory has bagged the award for the best performing union territory in India for implementing the PMAY? Andaman and Nicobar, Jammu and Kashmir, Port Blair, Puducherry. So 57, it is Puducherry. Pradhan Mantri Atal Yojana. Next one. Which bank has issued the electoral bonds as of December 2020? HDFC Bank, SBI, BOI, Bank of India, RBI, Reserve Bank of India, SBI, State Bank of India. Answer is, it is SBI, State Bank of India. Next question. In which mountains butterfly trackers help lift the mystery surrounding rare butterflies? Himalayas, Nilgiris, Western Ghats, Anjaniri. 59, it is Nilgiris. Who has released the report on trend and progress of banking in India 2019-2020? DBS Bank, IMF, World Bank, RBI. Answer is RBI. Next question. Which country's nuclear power generation breaks the Soviet record? India, Russia, UK, China. Answer is, it is B. Russia. Kerala became which member state to pass the resolution against formula? 5th, 4th, 6th and 7th. So answer is 5th. Next question. Which state will host the 14th Global Healthcare Summit in 2021? Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Sikkim and Goa. 63, it is Andhra Pradesh. Next question. Which Indian missile has got the approval from Cabinet for export? A. Helena, B. Nag, C. Prithvi, D. Akash. Answer is D. Akash. Which state has registered 8% growth in GST revenue in December 2020? Mumbai, Delhi, Kerala, Manipur. 65, it is Kerala. Next question. India has launched flash flood guidance services for which countries? Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, all of above. Answer is all of above. So all 3 countries. Next question. Which state government has announced green rebate for eco-friendly homes amid slew of new measures? Delhi, Kerala, Karnataka, Mumbai. 67, it is Kerala. Next. Government has published the draft model standing orders for which sectors? Manufacturing sector, mining sector, service sector, all of above. 68, it is all of above. Manufacturing, mining and service sector. The government has created a new DMA in the MOD. Who is the head of DMA? Deepika Padukone, Katrina Kaif, Sonakshi Sinha, Bipin Rawat. 69, it is Bipin Rawat. Next, 17th question. Which road is to be widened in Kerala? A. Bodimettu, Kundanur, Ernakulam, SN Junction, Putotta, Mumbai-Pune Highway, Valayar Thrissur, Idapalli. Answer is, it is B. SN Junction, Putotta. Who has launched India's first remote monitoring system of gas turbines? BPCL, IOCL, ONGC and EOL. Answer is, it is B. Indian Oil Corporation Limited. So if you like the video, please like it, try to share it with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe.